Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set reminder on Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Viber app and tap on more to the bottom right corner and tap on my notes, and now write here your message. And then send the message and long press on the message and tap on set reminder, and now select here the date and the time and tap on OK. Tap on does not repeat and you can select repeat to daily, weekly or monthly, and then tap on save. And that's how you can set reminder on Viber. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.